Recently, I learned about this drawing tool that was created by Google. It is a very new drawing tool that Google just created using machine learning and some drawings from talented artists. That way, it makes drawing so smooth and easy for anyone, especially for beginners. So when I saw this, I started thinking about possible ways one can actually make money using this drawing tool. So then I went on Google and made some research, and I discovered that there are people already making money with this. And then I saw on
So
Etsy.
this is Etsy. These are stores that are actually making money using this type of drawings. As you can see, there are a lot of them here, especially for children coloring books and for children art book. You can actually use this to make money. As you can see, there are a lot of them here. People are already making money using this. Another one is something like this. You see, this one is super easy, like it's just a coloring page, just a single art on each page. This is very easy and super simple to do. So something like this is things that you can actually make using this magical drawing tool by Google, and then you can start making money off of it.
But then on Etsy, you have to pay some money to be able to list your item on Etsy. So I started thinking about completely free ways one can actually make money off of this. And then what came to mind was print on demand because it is actually completely for free and you'll be needing some artworks from this magical drawing tool to be able to put something together to sell via print on demand. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did mine because I tried making money off of it using print on demand. I'm going to show you if I actually made money or not off of it so that you know how to get started and where to get started from. And of course, I'm also going to show you how to make use of the tool so that you know how to find your way around while using the tool. So the name of the tool is called Autodraw. Now you don't need to think too much about how to go about using it because it is super beginner friendly and it is very easy to use. So all you need to do is just to sketch whatever you want to draw him and you will see suggestions. You just click and then you see it appear.
This is how the interface looks. So this is if you want to change the color of whatever drawing you're going to be making, you can check from any of these. I like using black, so I'm going to use black for this. And then this is if you want to fill whatever object you have made with color, you can click here. This one is for shape, in case you want shapes. And this is for drawing, in case you want to use your hand, like to make any drawing you want to make, like anything you want to draw, you can use this tool. And this is the auto draw. That is the magical tool that will make your work so easy. Before you start drawing, make sure you have selected the drawing space the way you want it to be. So what you have to do is just to go here, you select whichever one you want. If you want it to be horizontally like this, you select this one. If you want it to be this way, you select this one. If you want it to be this way, you select this one. So for this drawing, I'm going to make it this way. So you see, it is now portrait. So first I'm going to change this to black because I like working with black. So I'm going to check this. I've already done that. So I'm going to draw something like this because I want to draw a rabbit. So I've been able to sketch something that looks like rabbit, and you can see here the animals here have changed. So I have seen rabbit here. I'm going to click here. So you see here is my rabbit. Now if I want to resize this to look smaller, I can just click here and resize it like this and position it how I want it to be. Now, if I want to undo anything that I have done, I can click here to undo it. So now, assuming I want to color this rabbit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and you see the color has changed to black, but this is not what I want. So I'm going to change the color here. And let's say we do purple. And then I'm going to go back here. You see, the color has changed to purple. So this is the way you're going to be doing this anytime you want to like make something or you want to draw something. So assuming I want to use this for my print on demand, I'll just click here and then where it says download, I'll click download.
So this is how you're going to be generating your art depending on what you want to use it for. So back to how I tried making money off of it, I am going to use the one that I've exported and I'm going to take you to this print on demand, to my print on demand store where I'm going to upload it and show you so far if I've been able to make money off of it or not.
So I came to my Redbubble store and I copied an already existing design that I have that looks like rabbit. So what I did was just go to this copy setting. I replaced this image with the new one that I just got from Autodraw. So I'm just going to do the necessary editing, but you have to make sure that you have removed the background. The background must be transparent before you upload it to Redbubble. Done with the necessary editing. So look at how the end result looks. So I'm going to Save it now and let's see how it's going to turn out on the mockups. This is how it is on the mockups. This is pretty cool. This sticker is very lovely. I loved how it turned out. Look at how it is on people that are wearing the clothes. It is very, very nice. The phone casings are very nice.
Now, this is basically what I did. I'm also going to show you the previous one that I did so that you see if I've been able to make money off of it or not. But the good part about using this Autodraw to generate art is that it is completely copyright free. So you don't need to bother yourself about having copyright infringement. So everything is completely free from the usage to the use of the product that it gave you. So it is a very cool way of making money on the side using this Autodraw. Now, before I show you if I've been able to make money from the previous ones that I have uploaded or not, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any parts. I really appreciate it. So this is the second time I'm using this to make money by uploading it to my print on demand store. And the previous one I've uploaded, unfortunately I've not been able to make sales yet, but does it have potential of making money? The answer is a very big yes. All I need to do is just to keep promoting my store. I just started newly and I hope that someday it's going to make money. And you see, it is completely for free, so you don't really have anything to lose. So I'm encouraging anyone who can start up a store and of course generate art, or if you can do with Etsy, you can actually do that, like create these patterns and designs on Autodraw and then upload to Etsy, and hopefully it's going to work for you. So if you're looking for a work from home job you can do, you might want to check out this video. And also you can check out this video and see how much I made using Capterra so that you know you can actually try that one too. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part, and I'll see you in the next one.